Hey guys, showing you this Huuger 4 drawers dresser with a charging station, dresser for a bedroom, tall nightstand, chest of drawers with open shelf, bedside table nightstand with a fabric dresser. So here you can see it comes with a whole manual that describe how to do. This is the charging station that we will fix on the nightstand. These are the screws and the handles and all the accessory kits that comes with it so that you can install it. And these are all the tools that is supplied and helpful in installing it. So these are the set, so I will just unbox it and start installing it one by one, so you can or quickly that you can see the process and then the final outcome at the end of the video, so it's helpful for you how it looks and how it feels. So this is white in color with the four the drawers, and these are the fabric drawer as you can see it here. So I will just initially partially install this drawer, so it's easy and you can put a handle here. So these are all the parts. One by one we can start. All the numbers are marked on the in individual bag, and you can just see how to install and see the things. So these are the handles as I mentioned for the drawers. These are the other parts. This is foot stand, wall clip, and all other screws. So everything is marked on the screws bag, and on this parts bag we have to install one by one. So these steps are really easy that you can do, and everything is as I mentioned marked in the manual, so that's very helpful to install it. All the tools are provided, so it's very easy for you. You don't have to run here and there to collect all the tools. So just put in the screws that are numbered and use the supplied tools to lock it. For the AC outlet we will show later on, but they have like two USB and the two AC outlets. So I'm just making the step things one by one on the top and just installing them. So these are like the two USB to power outlet. I just put in this handles in the drawers and then putting it inside the nightstand. So this is the final outcome, and you can see the power outlet here with two USB and two power outlets that can be easily used to charge your mobile or any other device. These are the four drawers. That's really easy. Is a fabric one, lightweight drawers, and also it's get on side of the bed, and it matches with the thing. So it's pretty nice and handy with the four drawers and two shelves that you can use and put all the stuffs here. So a nightstand.